So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you top 5 best meme coins for this coming mega bull run here. All these meme coins are very undervalued, okay, low cap meme coins and still not listed on major centralized exchanges. Okay friends, but definitely these meme coins have potential to maybe we can see their major centralized exchange listing soon in coming months here. Okay, so video is going to be very special. Very important, you have to just for the complete. Make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. So friends, number one meme coin is Biat. Okay, Biat, you can see currently 4 zeros in its price. Price is dropped by almost 3% last 24 hour. Okay, in last 30 days, prices also dropped by 43% here. In last 14 days, prices dumped by 25% here. I added this meme coin in this list because of high demand for this meme coin. Okay, I read too many comment about this meme coin to make the video about Biat coin. Okay, that's why I included this meme coin, and this meme coin has no doubt also good potential here. Okay, you can see super low cap meme coin. Okay, less than $1 million market cap meme coins, just $600 only. Okay, only $600 trading volume. Solana chain meme coin. Okay, that's amazing. Working on Solana chain, I will also show you. Okay, you can see as further details on Solana scan, the number of holders are 1800. Okay, only 1800 number of holders, so that's good. Okay, because very early in this meme coin, and friends, we are, you can see, okay, 98, okay, 98% down the initial time high. Okay, 98% down the initial time high and just 56% up the initial time low. Coin is no too old. Okay, just 4 to 5 months ago only. Okay, this meme coin was launched here. You can see Probit is the only central exchange where this meme coin is listed. Okay, there's no any other central exchange listing for Bia coin. But friends, definitely if they increase its trading volume, okay, in coming months, okay, maybe we can see its massive hype again, then definitely this meme coin has potential to maybe we can see its major central exchange listing also. And then Bitcoin has potential to kill maybe 2 to 3 zeros in this coming mega bullion here. First number second meme coin is Pipey coin. Okay, you can see Pipey is symbol, and this is Chinese Pepe. A few days ago, I made this video. Okay, when this meme coin was very low, you can see coin has currently 6 zeros in its price, and very new meme coin. You can see just 14 days. Okay, just 14 days ago, this meme coin was launched here. Okay, and market cap is right now just $50.4 million only. So if you compare its market cap with the current market cap of Pepe coin, that is almost $3 to $4 billion, then this meme coin has still potential to be the next 1000x potential meme coin here. Last 24-hour trading volume is amazing, nearly $65 million trading volume. So friends, that is amazing. 420 trillion coin supply, all in circulation. Coin is working on Ethereum, just 14. Okay, you can see just 20 days ago this meme coin was launched here. We are 55% down in its all-time high and 146% up in its all-time low. Coin was initially launched with 7 zeros and right now has only 6 zeros. Already listed on too many central exchanges. You can see CoinX, Bitmart, Gate.io, okay, and xt.com. Too many central exchanges has already listed this coin, but still this meme coin is not on Bybit, KuCoin. Okay, these type of central exchanges is still not listed this meme coin, but in coming months maybe we can see its major central exchange listing here. Okay, and in this coming mega bullion, maybe this meme coin has potential to kill 2 to 3 zeros here and be the next 1000x potential meme coin here. First number third meme coin is Crow with Knife. Okay, Kai symbol 560 number market cap ranking. Coin has currently 7 zeros in its price, and this is very unique meme coin because this meme coin is working on Kronos chain. You can see $61 million current market cap. Okay, $61 million. The market cap is already good. Last 24-hour trading volume $2.5 million, and still this meme coin is not listed on major central exchanges. So that is why this trading volume is awesome and market cap is good. Okay, coin is working on Kronos chain, so that's why very unique meme coin. And you can see we are almost, okay, 46% down in its all-time high and 2000% up in its all-time low. Coin was initially launched with 8 zeros, and when it's make its all-time high, coin has killed already 2 zeros here, and right now coin has 7 zeros in its price. Coin is already listed on Gate.io, Crypto.com exchange. Bitmart has recently listed this coin. Okay, in coming days and coming months, maybe we can see Ka coin major centralized exchange listing also, and this meme coin has potential, really potential, to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here and kill 3 zeros here. First, number fourth meme coin is Smog Coin. Coin has currently 5 zeros in its price, and its market cap is already $692 million. Okay, $692 million market cap. So this meme coin has already huge market cap, but friends, still this meme coin is not listed on tier one exchanges. Okay, not on Binance, no KuCoin, no Coinbase, no anywhere. So then this market cap is low for this meme coin. In this coming mega bull, and this meme coin has potential to be the next 50 to maybe $80 billion market cap meme coin here. Okay friends, it's possible that we can see more coin market cap in this coming mega bull run up to 40 to maybe $50 billion here. $55 million trading volume in last 24 hours, so that's amazing. Okay friends, coin is working on Ethereum chain, and also I think on recently launched on Base chain, but initially launched on Ethereum chain only. Okay, and friends, here you can see a cat theme meme coin, on Ethereum chain. We are just 2% down than its all-time high, and 42,000% up than its all-time low. 42,000% up than its all-time low, and coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. Okay, killed already 3 zeros since its launching. So that's amazing, friends. Okay, that's why this meme coin still has potential to kill maybe 3 more zeros here, because you can see it's still not listed on major central exchanges. No on KuCoin, no Binance is listed this coin. Okay, so I think this meme coin has still potential to maybe we can see its market cap up to 40 to maybe $50 billion here. First, number fifth and last meme coin is Peercoin. Okay, this meme coin was also launched recently and make a massive hype in crypto market, listed on too many centralized exchanges within just few days of its launching, including KuCoin exchange. Coin has currently 4 zeros in its price. Market cap is just $37 million only. Okay, only $37 million market cap. Last 24 hour trading volume is $43.3 million. Okay, $43 million last 24 hour trading volume. That's amazing. Coin is working on Solana chain. That's awesome, friends. So you can see a Solana meme coin. We are 92% down in its all-time high. Coin was initially launched with 4 zeros, but already killed 1 zero when it's make its all-time high. But right now, coin has already add 1 more zeros here. Okay, so in coming months maybe we can see this meme coin to kill its all-time high and make a new all-time high, because this meme coin is going to fastest first bull run, and this is very unique meme coin, because all other meme coins are cat theme meme coins, dog theme meme coins, animal meme coin, but this is the bear theme meme coin. So that's why this hype can be the big narrative for this meme coin, and maybe we can see its new all-time high with only 2 zeros here. Okay, still this meme coin has potential to kill 2 to 3 zeros here. Okay friends, coin is already listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, HTX, Bitget, MEXC. Too many central exchanges has already listed this coin within just a few days of its launching. So in coming months maybe we can see some major exchange, okay, many other major central exchange listing for this coin. So friends, these are the five, okay, top five base meme coins, okay, that can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin, and maybe we can see their major central exchange listing, okay, for these meme coin. Which are the 100x meme coin, which are the 500 meme coin, and which are the 1000x meme coins from these five meme coin? You can must comment down below.